Hey guys, happy Saturday. I'm excited to share a fun do-it-yourself style project today. While I've been in quarantine, I have really realized that I don't have a lot of loungewear, which has been an issue. And so I decided to buy a navy sweatshirt and sweatpants from Amazon and use bleach to do a tie-dye effect on them, also known as reverse tie-dye. And the results turned out very differently than what I expected. I thought that the tie-dye would turn out like a light blue and white, but as you can see on the top, it became like a pinky purple color, and the bottoms turned out completely different. So, lots of lessons learned along the way, but it still turned out to be a really fun project. I love both pieces. So continue watching to see how I made this and my sweatpants with all the steps I used for this fun quarantine project. So here's what you're gonna need. A sweatsuit. I found this navy, almost matching set from Amazon Essentials. As you can see, this is like a little bit heathered. This is a little darker, but it's gonna work together, I'm hoping. This is just a crew neck sweatshirt. These are just basic sweatpants. They have the elastic at the ankle. And then you need rubber bands to tie them up. I've got a bottle of bleach and a measuring cup so that I can pour it and just have it a little bit more controlled than pouring it directly out of the bottle. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the crumple technique, which is basically just the least patterned. It's the most like just chaotic design where you literally just crumple the fabric together. And then I'm gonna use the rubber bands to hold it all together. So this is what it looks like. It's just very like crumpled up, so many folds and wrinkles, which will give the pattern more detail. Now I'm gonna do the sweatpants. So here are my final crumpled products. So I'm gonna be doing the tie-dye in the sink here. Luckily, it's like a big, deep sink, so it'll be easy to keep it all inside here. But if you've got like a tub or some sort of bin you can do it in, or if you want to do it outside on the grass or something, those are other good options just to make sure you don't make a mess while you're pouring the bleach on. All right, here we go. It's actually turning like a red-pink color. Interesting. Okay, now we wait. Okay, so as you can see, we have two very different effects. So, really interesting. Here's the full tie-dye fit. Would I wear this together? Probably not. But do I love the separates on their own? Yes, absolutely. I think it's really fun. This is obviously a different vibe. It's definitely a lot brighter, higher contrast. And then the pants are more like subtle. They actually turned really gray. Everything got lighter after the wash for sure. I feel like the pants got softer. I would definitely do this again with a set that I knew 100% had the same dye and would turn out the same way, because I think it'd be so cool if it matched and was a full sweatsuit. But I really like these pieces. They'll be fun to wear by myself at home. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. My channel is brand new, and and I'm excited to bring you more style and design videos. Watch my apartment tour, follow me on Instagram, and find all the links to the products I used in this video in the description box below.